I am Dwayne Gayer. I will be showing you how to install the 203K Consultant software. Go to the folder where you downloaded the software, desktop or download folder. Mine is here on the desktop. Locate yours and right-click on the 203K zip file. The fifth item from the top, extract all. Select a destination and extract files. Click the Browse button. Click on this PC. Then select the C drive. Then select the folder 203K Consultant Software. If the folder does not exist, right-click on the C drive icon and create a 203K software folder. This folder will be the destination file for your software. Select it, come down to the bottom, and click Select Folder. Then come back, click the Extract button. The folder will open and you will see your software. To open the software, click on the K. Using Windows 10, a blue box will pop up stating Windows protected your PC. Other versions of Windows will likely say something similar. Click the More Info link, then the Run Anyway link. This is the agreement. Click I agree. The software will load and be ready to run. The software is loading now. Click the Close button and there we are. The software is installed. It's running. I have an application. The software is loaded, ready to start your work right up. One more point. Drag the software icon to your toolbar. That way it'll be handy the next time you get ready to use it. Play with it a little bit if you want. Go to the next video and I'm going to show you how to use the program in a series of small, short videos.